This is in process, my submission for ETHGlobal Bangkok 2024. In process is a project that I've created with Latasha so that any creator, musician, artist, designer, or other builders can document their creative process on chain in their own independent feed. So this is a feed for your digital art on Zora and Base. Bring your own style, and it's built on Base. This was inspired by the work of In Public, which is a vertical feed that allows people to demonstrate a shared collection. And so let's actually start with that, is that if we go to In Public, we can take their contract and we can put it directly inside of In Process. So we just copy any Zora link, you take it inside of In Process, you paste the link, and you hit enter, and it'll automatically generate a vertical feed for your content. You can see that we automatically pulled in the styling, so the styling is automatically updated from whatever your collection uses, so your styling can be brought with you across the chain. From there, we show all of your comments. You can see comments if there are any comments. If there's too many comments, you can load in more. You can then write in your own comment, hello world, and if you leave the comment, it'll then open up the ability to buy with credit card the token. And so then you don't even need to have a wallet, you don't need to have any crypto or know about crypto. You can just immediately start buying and leaving comments on a feed without having any knowledge that any of this is done on chain. Going back to the problem, Latasha came to me with the original problem and told me that she needs to be building in public. She has a couple patrons who support her. Latasha is one of the biggest on-chain creators for music. And one of her patrons said, I need you to be building in public. So as you're documenting your next project that you're releasing, I need you to be putting all of that work on chain to demonstrate the work. And so Latasha came to me and said, hey, can we fork in public for my own project so that as I, a musician, artist, designer, am building out my project, I can document it in my own sovereign independent feed at my own domain. I said, absolutely, let's build it. Not just for you, but for any musician to be able to have the same. And so now any musician can go into any feed they already have, any collection they already have on Zora or Base, or anywhere on the superchain. You copy the existing drop link, you go over to inprocess.myco.wtf, paste the link in, hit enter, and we automatically spin up a new feed for you that you can use to sell with credit card, email sign-in, leaving comments directly inside of your feed, and it's all configurable on your own domain. All the code is open source. It looks like it's loading a little bit slow, but let's run through a couple more examples and talk through the tech stack. So while this is loading, we'll talk through some of the tech stack. This is built on top of Base, the network of Base. You can see this is a Zora contract. We can also pull in Base contracts. It's using Privy for email-based sign-in. So if you click connect, you can sign in with an email. And you can also, if you have a wallet, you can still join with a wallet, but we want to prioritize non-on-chain people. We're also using credit cards, as we already showed, and this project was spun up using OnchainKit and the Coinbase developer platform, and it was all published on YouTube as well. The entire build, along with this video that I'm showing you, has all been processed on YouTube, so that if any other musician, artist, designer, or builder wants to build this exact project, they can watch the YouTube series that I've already published showing them how to publish the same. I only have 10 seconds left, so I'm going to stop by sharing you the last video. And thank you for tuning in. This has been In Process, and I hope you vote for me in this action.